Salit lang na battery. Pagano yan. Parang sulat.
Okay na. Alay.
Yan.
Okay, good morning everyone. And to those who are viewing this YouTube channel, good morning to each one of everyone. Today, October 24 of 2024, we will be having a private conference for the three contract ID number 2483-0079 for invitation. Contract ID number 2488-0083 for invitation. And contract ID number 24G880026. So we start with the roll call. The back chair is present. Engineer Joel B. Dorado, regular member, back vice chairperson. Present. Engineer Nestor P. Rojas, provisional member. Present. Engineer Luigi P. Tonyo, provisional member, inducer. Engineer Marjorie T. Lance, provisional member, inducer.
Present.
Engineer L.C. Angena, the head of the Back Secretariat.
Present.
Engineer Heather May Stone, member, Back Secretariat.
Present.
And Engineer Russell Brian S. Rosas, the representative from the implementing section. So the back composes 4 out of 5. So I now declare this private conference call to order 10:43. So Catanduanes District Engineering Office invites you to meet in these 3 projects. First project, contract ID number 2488-0079, re-invitation, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Naxis Road, or bridges from national roads leading to major strategic public buildings, facilities, construction of barangay roads at Barangay Buenavista, Barangay Ogis, Barangay Aroyao, Pequeno, and Barangay Tilis, Bato, Catanduanes. Contract location is Bato, Catanduanes. Scope of work for Barangay Buenavista, construction concreting of 152 linear meter by 2.5 meter by 0.2 meter thick, roadway, 1 lane, gravel road of 96 linear meter by 2.5 by 2.2 meter thick, 1 lane with 1 meter gravel road shoulder, RCPC, and slope protection. For the Barangay Ogis, construction concreting of 70 linear meter by 5 meter by 0.2 meter thick, roadway with 1 meter gravel road shoulder. For Barangay Aroyao, Pequeno, construction concreting of 81 linear meter by 5 meter by 0.2 meter thick, roadway. For Barangay Tilis, construction concreting of 73 linear meter by 5 meter by 0.2 meter thick, roadway with 1 meter gravel road shoulder, slope protection, and RCPC. The approved budget for the contract is 4,948,760 pesos. Contract duration is 54 calendar days. License category CND. License classification is smoothly, and the cost of being documents is amounting to 5,000. For the minimum work experience requirement for the key personnel are the following: project manager, 3 years of minimum years of similar experience for the same position, 3 years for the minimum years of total work experience for the same position. Project engineer must be accredited contractors project engineer. Materials engineer, 2 years of minimum years of similar experience for the same position, and 2 years for the minimum years of total work experience for the same position. Construction safety, construction foreman, 2 years of minimum years of similar experience for the same position, and 2 years for the minimum years of total work experience for the same position. Construction safety and health personnel assigned full-time safety officer. Accredited contractors project engineer is required in this project. Be guided of DO number 148 series of 2024. Also for the materials engineer, follow DO number 98 series of 2016, specifically for the classification and limits of assignments. For construction safety and health personnel, be guided of DO number 13 series of 1998. Assigned full-time safety officer, one for every project. Accredited safety officer required upon issuance of notice of award, subject to DO number 98 series of 2014. Submission of construction of safety and health program approved by the Department of Labor and Employment. For the minimum major equipment requirement are the following. Dump truck, 1 unit is required. Backhoe, 1 unit is required. 1 bagger concrete mixer, 4 units is required. Materials minimum testing equipment, DO number 11, series of 2017. Inclusion of minimum materials testing equipment in the technical component of the bid. So, to all interested bidders for this contract, if you have questions regarding the plans, specifications, bill of quantities, you may raise your questions up to the procurement unit during weekdays up to 10 calendar days before the opening. And Bob will answer you through the issuance of bid bulletin up to 7 calendar days before the opening. So, next contract ID number 24F80083, also the invitation, Basic Infrastructure Program, BIP, Multipurpose Buildings, Facilities to Support Social Services, Construction Completion of Multipurpose Building, Barangay Binanuahan, Bato, Catanduanes. Barangay Binanuahan, Bato, Catanduanes. Scope of work, extension of Barangay Road. Approved budget for the contract is 3,958,760 pesos. Contract duration is 99 calendar days. License category C in D. License classification small b. In the cost of bidding documents is amounting to 5,000. The minimum work experience requirement for the key personnel are the following. Project manager, 3 years of minimum years of similar experience for the same position. In 3 years for the minimum years of total work experience for the same position. Project engineer must be accredited contractors, project engineer. Materials engineer, 2 years of minimum years of similar experience for the same position, and 2 years for the minimum years of total work experience for the same position. Construction foreman, 2 years of minimum years of similar experience for the same position, and 2 years for minimum years of total work experience for the same position. Construction safety and health personnel assigned full-time safety officer. Accredited contractors project engineer is required in this project. Be guided of DO number 148 series of 2024. Also for the materials engineer, follow DO number 98 series of 2016, specifically for the classification and limits of assignments. For construction safety and health personnel, be guided on DO number 13 series of 1998, assigned full-time safety officer, 1 for every project. Accredited safety officer required upon issuance of notice of award, subject to DO number 98 series of 2014, submission of construction safety and health program approved by the Department of Labor and Employment. For the minimum major equipment requirement are the following. 1 bagger mixer, 1 unit is required. Materials minimum testing equipment, DO number 11 series of 2017. inclusion of the minimum material system equipment in the technical component of the bid. So, to all interested bidders for this contract, if you have questions regarding the posted plans, bill of quantities, specifications, you may raise your questions to the procurement unit up to 10 calendar days before the opening of bids. And back will be answering your query through the issuance of the bulletin up to 7 calendar days before the opening of bid. Okay, next contract. Contract ID number 24DFH0026. Supply and delivery of diesel fuel for basic highway maintenance equipment assigned at the maintenance section for fourth quarter, CY 2024. PR number 2024-10-096 dated October 7, 2024. So this will be discussed with the representative from the implementing unit.
Name of project: supply and delivery of diesel and unleaded fuel for basic highway maintenance equipment assigned at the maintenance section for fourth quarter calendar year 2024. The approved budget for the contract is 3,02,440 pesos. The following are the item description, quantity, and unit. Diesel fuel, 25,600 liters. Unleaded fuel, 12,000 liters. That's all.
Okay, strictly comply the requirements prescribed under DEO number 9 series of 2012 dated February 27, 2012 and DEO number 58 series of 2012 dated August 12, 2012. Also to include the requirements prescribed under DEO number 11 series of 2017 dated January 24, 2017, inclusion of the minimum material system equipment in the technical component of the bid. In DEO number 127 series of 2018, strict application of RA 9184 in the conduct of post-qualification of bidders with delayed ongoing contracts with the DPWH. Also, please be reminded of DEO number 28 series of 2024 dated February 26, 2024 regarding the three-strike policy in the procurement of infrastructure, goods, and consulting service contracts. Contractors and applicants who wish to participate in this bidding are encouraged to enroll in the DPWH Civil Works Application, CWA, at the DPWH Procurement Service, 5th floor, DPWH Building, Bonifacio Drive, Port Area, Manila, while those already enrolled shall keep the records current and updated. The contractor's eligibility to bid on the project will be determined using the DPWH Contractor Profile Eligibility Process, CPEP, and subject to further post-qualification. Information on registration can be obtained from the procurement service during working weekdays from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. or at the DPWH website www.dpwh.gov.ph. Bidding will be conducted through open competitive bidding procedures using non-discretionary pass-and-pay criterion as specified in the 2016 Revised Implementing Rules and Regulations (IRR) of Republic Act 9184, RA 9184, other known as Government Procurement Reform Act. The contract shall be awarded to the lowest calculated responsive bidder, LCRB, who was determined as such during post-qualification. Interested bidders may obtain further information from the DPWH Catanduanes DEO Procurement Unit Office and inspect the bidding documents at San Isidro Village, Bato, Catanduanes. during weekdays from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. A complete set of bidding documents may be acquired by interested bidders from October 16, 2024 to November 7, 2024. It may also be downloaded free of charge from the website of the Philippine Government Electronic Procurement System, PhilGEPS, www.philgeps.gov.ph, in the website of the procuring entity, www.dpwh.gov.ph, provided that bidders shall pay the applicable fee for the bidding documents not later than submission of their bids. For sealing and marking of envelopes, the bidder shall enclose the original of the technical proposal in one sealed envelope marked as original technical proposal, whereas the original financial proposal shall be enclosed in another sealed envelope marked as original financial proposal. Both envelopes shall then be placed in another single envelope marked as original bid. Each copy of the technical proposal and financial proposal shall be similarly sealed, duly marked as copy number 1, technical proposal, and copy number 1, financial proposal, respectively in outer envelope as copy number 1. Bid submission may be done manually or electronically online. However, bidders should only select one mode of submission, either manual or electronic. Similar to manual submission, the guidelines for the preparation of submission of electronic bid are contained in the BDS. Bids must be duly received by the BAC Secretariat at DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office, San Isidro Village, Mira, Catanduanes. For manual submission or at electronic bids _Catanduanes at dpwh.gov.ph for electronic submission on or before November 7, 2024 until 10 p.m. All bids must be accompanied by a bid security in any of the acceptable forms in the amount stated in IT Clause 15. Bid opening shall be on November 7, 2024 at 10 a.m. at Back Office, DPWH Catanduanes District Engineering Office, San Isidro Village, Mira, Catanduanes. Bids will be open in the presence of bidders' representatives who choose to attend at address above. Late bids shall not be accepted. Okay. This is the Facebook Live of Catanduanes. Any other matters? Additional information from the back. So, if there's none, pre-bid conference adjourned at 11 p.m.